Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be installing the Slimline saddlebags for the Dyna. These bags were already on the bike. I took them off to put the leather pro, so if you want to see a video of the bike having the bags, we're going to link it up here. But today I'm going to put them back on. Check them out. These are by Bigbearperformance. They come in all white, but when I bought the bike, the last owner painted them black. They're kind of beat up a little bit, but today we're going to do the install. Come around this way. Show you guys, I did start by installing the saddlebag rack here. It's like the whole frame where the bags is gonna sit, and I did it off camera. I didn't want to take forever and make this a longer video. I also took out the frame sliders. I had to go back with the stock stud right there. So today we're gonna install the other saddlebag rack. Hopefully I don't have to put the leather pros again till next year. Rosarito, because it's a bitch taking off. It's only 2 bolts here, and then the spacers for your sissy bar. I guess it was a harder mission because I had to redo the rear shocks there, but I don't want to bore you with that, so I went ahead and did that off camera. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other bag mount on there, and then we'll start throwing the bags.
Have you heard of slacking?
You want to go a little bit bigger on the bolt. This is a 2.5 inches, and this is a 2-inch bolt. I'm going with the 2.5 just to have a little bit extra space. Make sure on the back fender here, you don't want to go too far in where your tire's going to be rubbing, so keep an eye out for that. So if you're going to be running the sissy bar, you do want to put your docking hardware. You want to put a little bit of Loctite, not too much. So that's how it's going to go. Just your 2.5 inch bolt, depending how much space you have to work with in the back. So we got our docking hardware for your sissy bar, and we took off the hardware for the leather pros. I'm not going to be needing that for now. So we're probably going to leave the bags for tomorrow because we got the whole neighborhood active right now. Every time. We're back. We're gonna put one side. I know I said I was gonna wait for the next day and do it during the daylight, but we don't have time. I just want to show you quick. It has 5 bolts here, and each of them are 1 inch. I'm also putting a washer on there, and it comes with the nut on the back. So we're gonna go ahead and put it on the bracket and tighten it up on the back. I just wanted to show you here. I don't know if the bag, when you get it from the Big Bear Performance, comes with the bolts, but I bought a whole new set so they can all match. Hopefully I can buy some like liner or carpet liner inside, so I won't be rocking just the bags like that. I wanted to finish them off here, but let's install the bag for now, and then once I get the material, I'll install that carpet. But yeah, let's go to the bike and let's install one side. So check out how firm the bracket here for the bags are. Super firm. I don't know if you've seen other bags that once they're riding, they kind of like, they get all flimsy. So this one's nice and sturdy. Has a bottom support there for the bag. And these bags are not too heavy. So what you want to do, just line it up here. Alright, so we have our Loctite. We're going to go ahead and put 1 drop on each bolt. Just hand tight for now, and then we'll use the tools after. You guys get the point, but sorry if you guys can't really see it. A little bit of Loctite. Then we go with the bottom one. So we're going to go ahead and tighten it down, not too hard, because I did see whoever had the bike before me kind of over tighten it. Only thing that sucks, see what the big difference from the leather pros? With the leather pros, the bags would have been on and off like 5 times already. With these, you gotta do it the old way, but I feel like it gives it a whole different vibe. So you don't want to over tighten them because you're gonna crack the plastic. Alright guys, so we jump on the other side. Same thing, you put your bolts with the washers through the bag. And then I'm gonna put the Loctite now so I won't be struggling. So that's it guys, the bags are on, they're installed. Let me know what you guys think about the Slimline, I guess Saddlebags by BigBearPerformance. Let me know if you rock these over the Leather Pros, or will you rather prefer the Leather Pros to put more stuff. It all depends on the rider and what you're actually carrying. Cause this, all you can fit is probably like a sweater and a hat maybe. That's about it, but that's today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you guys got any questions. Comment down below. We'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.